Hello, welcome back, guys. Hey, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Yancy. I'm on a journey to become debt. I do have some debt consumer debts, but we all make mistake and we're trying to get ourselves to do better. Okay, no judgment here. But anyways, guys, today I'm gonna be cash stuffing some money towards my saving challenge, which goes towards my debt. Okay, I also have Happy Mail, which I'm so excited to share with you during the video. I do have an IOU of $3, so I'm gonna get that out. And let's go ahead and count how much money we're gonna stuff today. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, okay, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So we have $87 to cash stuff today for a saving challenge. I'm so excited. By the way, happy Wednesday. Also, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow. Even if you celebrate, even if you don't celebrate like me, ourselves, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving food, if that makes sense. We just make Salvadorian food. My mom makes Salvadorian food. Like Alex's mom, she's Mexican. She doesn't really celebrate it either, like Thanksgiving food, if that makes sense. They make their own like Mexican food. So we have two different different culture. I'm from El Salvador and he's from Mexico, if you guys didn't know that. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm so excited to cash stuff my saving challenge that goes towards my debt. I will let you guys know I did take away my happy birthday fund because I treated myself. Okay, I took this one off. I had $100 and something. I treated myself. I didn't treat myself this year for my birthday, which was August, and I saw something I really wanted and I said, screw it. That's what that is for. And I was like, whatever, next year I can restart that again, because I was going to use the money towards next year. So I will restart that again, hopefully soon. But anyways, okay, enough talking. So I'm gonna cash stuff this one because I really want to finish my biggest saving challenge, because I want to pay one of my cars. I finally got the police report, $21. I finally got the police report and it said that it was my fault. I actually thought it was gonna be 50-50, but no, it came out to be my fault because I'd hit her from behind. So whatever. Supposedly, like, I should have been feet away from her, so it would have gave me time for me to brake. So the thing that happened is I hit someone on the freeway. We were all going the same speed. We were all going close to each other. We were all doing the same thing. It's just that the person in front of me braked so fast and didn't give me enough time for me to brake. So whatever, it is what it is, right? Stuff happens and you can't control it. So it is upsetting because I am paying a rental. And you know, what can I do? Nothing. All right, so let me do the IOU, guys, for $3. And I'm gonna scratch this one because, like I said, I really want to finish paying it off. Not paying it off, really want to finish scratching it and completing it, because, you know, this will go towards a credit card that I'll be able to finish, and it makes me so happy about that. All right, guys, $34. Y'all see that? $34. A whopping 34 bucks. Oh my goodness. All right, 1, 2, 3, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the little Happy Mail, guys. But before I go ahead and do the Happy Mail, Jessie on the budget had requested to show my collection, and I told her I was eventually. And I think what a perfect time to share my collection right now. I do have some other stuff coming in the mail, by the way, for my collection. But what a perfect time to share with you guys now before my Happy Mail unboxing. Here's a little sneaky peek of my collection going on here. I am obsessed. I was gonna move her, but never mind, I'm not gonna move her. Here's my favorite one, which is this birthday one. Oh my goodness. And then this one is super hard to get. I was able to find this one from El Salvador, and my aunt shipped it to me. Oh, I'm obsessed. Obsessed with her, but she's so cute. And then I have more going on over here. Like, oh my gosh, just a little glimpse, you guys. Trust me, I'm obsessed. And then I have blankets. My blanket is another thing during the garage. Look at her, my obsession. Oh my gosh. Guys, trust me. Trust me. I am addicted to them. And then let me show the other one. Here is the other one. Look at my peaches. You can see my peaches. But look, she's so cute. And then that right there are some gifts that I have. That is for Alex and that's for my mom. But anyways, you guys, I am so obsessed. I am trying to get more items. And then look, here's more. Ooh, this is nothing. Trust me, this is nothing, but oh my goodness. So yeah, here's a little sneak peek of my collection. Oh my gosh, it has taken me so long to get them, and you know, yeah. And then I'm excited to show you my unboxing of my Happy Mail. All right, now let's get to the real unboxing. Oh my goodness, you guys, when I saw her share this, by the way, this is from Katie, which is the Fancy Dollar on YouTube. When I saw this, I was just so in shock. Let me double check. Hold on, guys. Okay, I don't think it has. Yeah, I was just so in shock that I was like, I need it. I need this. Because, you know, I love Hello Kitty. And, yeah. Okay, by the way, love the little candy cane wrapper. That is so cute. Oh, my gosh, look. Okay, Katie. You have me on this. All right, so, yeah. So, I was so excited when she posted that she was going to have this for sale. And I was so close to miss out because when she launched this, it was so funny. When she launched this, I was waiting to eat Thanksgiving food at Eric's Thanksgiving feast. Literally, I was there waiting because we had to wait there for a few minutes. I was there waiting, and I'm like, I told Alex, I said, oh my gosh, I cannot miss her lunch. And Alex was like, why? I was like, because I'm like, it's a Hello Kitty and Pokemon. I was like, girl, I cannot miss her lunch. Okay, it says, thank you for your order to Yancy from Katie. Thank you wholeheartedly for supporting my small business. I cannot thank you enough. I hope you enjoy your new goodies. Budgeting Babe, and then her Instagram and YouTube, so you guys can go and follow her. Cute. Oh, this is so cute. So this is a cute little freebie. You know, I'm gonna be using that as let me actually put that here. I don't know how much money it's gonna be, but I have 2 envelopes that I haven't put new challenge, and I'm gonna do that right there. Perfect. All right, awesome. Thank you so much. And then a teller slip. I have 2 teller slips. Okay, nice. Super cute. Love it. I got the Pokemon little cute icon. You can make whichever denomination you want on that, which is so freaking cute. I couldn't say no to that because we have a Pokemon collector, which is my husband and my kid, Eric. Dylan, he's 3. He's getting into it. So we started collecting Pokemon when the Pokemon app came in 2017. And since then, it's been on. My husband did collect it when he was a kid. But someone told my mother-in-law that this was a double thing. It was so bad, so she burned all of his cards, and there were some good cards that he remembers that now is worth thousands of dollars. He's like, I hate whoever told my mom that. Okay, then I have the cute little Merry Christmas Hello Kitty, which saves 147. I am obsessed, okay? Like, shut up, I'm obsessed. I have the happy birthday one. He's here. I told you guys I was going to get a happy birthday one because I spent my money from the other one, which is okay. You got to do what you got to do to make you happy. And then I got the trick or treat, which I'm so excited about. Oh my gosh, so cute. So here is the Hello Kitty saving challenge icons. I don't remember if I ordered this. I don't think I ordered this unless this is for this. I don't think so. This is different. Thank you so much for that. I believe that one I did not. Okay, this is for the Halloween one. The envelope for the Halloween, which is this one right here. Okay. All right, this one right here is for the Christmas one, which is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. Is this for this? Or is this for this? No, I think it's different. Okay, I think it's different. I think I'm tripping. I don't know. If it is, I believe it is. I'm not sure. Okay, and then this is the happy birthday one, which is for this one. And this is the Pokemon one. Yeah, okay, then yeah. I think this one, you gave me extra. I believe this one, the extra. I could be wrong, but oh my gosh, I love this envelope. So cute. All right, thank you so much, Katie. I can't wait to use. I cannot wait to use them. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Like, obsessed. Thank you. I've been waiting to get my hands on those. I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on those. All right, thank you so much. Yay, love it. Trust me, I love it. All right, guys, let's move on because I don't have that much money. Let me do this one. We're gonna be a little bit all over the place because, like I said, I don't have much money today, and I'm trying to finish the ones that, you know, that are big numbers so I can pay that credit card. 5, 6, 7. Oh no. Okay, let me add a 10. Let me add a 10 and I'm gonna get out a 2. So that adds up to $8. All right, there we go. This one will save me $50, which is exciting. By the way, guys, are you excited for Thanksgiving tomorrow? Let me know if you are. I'm happy because I'm not gonna work. That's all I'm really happy about. But I am thankful that I'm alive and I have my kids. I'll be honest with you, really am. Okay, let's do another one. Which one shall we do? Let's do this one. This one's a mystery, so let's hope it's not a big number. Okay, good. Awesome. I don't know how much this one will save, but this one is $7. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, great. I'll be honest with you, I'm not really like super in the mood, like happy like that. I'm just so stressed about the car situation and stuff, and then they're gonna take it to a shop where they're gonna, you know, now see how much it's gonna be for the damage, and they're gonna see if it's gonna be a good amount for them to fix, or it's gonna be a messed up amount. Like either they fix it or total loss. So I am praying and screaming that they can fix it. My deductible is only $1,000, which sucks. It sets me back a little bit on my debts and stuff like that, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just hoping that it's just a total loss. That's all I hope for, because once the air pop, like the airbag pops and gets out, once you want to sell that car, like it devalues so much. It just devalues so much. I'm gonna add a 10 and take a 1. Okay, it devalues so much, and I'd rather just make that car as a loss, and so I can just get a new car and whatever, screw it. Because I've noticed that once the air bag pops, that car is worth nothing basically, because it's been in a wreck or it's been in a crash and blah blah blah. It's a big mess. Okay, next, this one will save me $100, but I don't know how much it will be. I'm trying to see. So there is that, guys. Trust me, I'm just so upset, but what can I do, right? All right, let's do this one. This one is from Taylor, a little bit of all. I can't believe Taylor, you guys. Taylor was an hour away from where I live. And I messaged Taylor. I was like, girlfriend, what in the world? I'm like, why didn't you tell me you were coming? I was like, I've been wanting to meet you for the longest. I know Taylor since she started her budgeting channel. And, well, I don't know her like that, but I've been watching her since she started when she was under when she was under, I think, 400 subscribers. That's since then I've been watching Taylor. And I was like, girlfriend, you're kidding me. That worked out great. $3. Okay, awesome. Okay, we have 4 left in that one. Let's see how much money we have left. And I was like, girl, whenever you come back again, I'm like, let me know. $5. I'm gonna do that $5 on the Happy Mail, so I don't have an IOU, because you guys know I don't like IOUs. All right, sounds good. Awesome. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. But I hope you guys have a great Thursday. I'm hoping I see you guys on Friday with another saving challenge, guys, stuffing. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely Thursday with your family. Hope you guys get to eat so much and see the family that you guys haven't seen. Spend time with your kiddos and whoever you might spend time with on tomorrow's date. And yeah, and we catch up on another day, you guys. So excited. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love ya.